What if the ground beneath our feet could no longer support life? In our cities, where concrete dominates, we struggle with overheating, while soils are degraded, compacted, and dead. The usual solutions? Topsoil imports, chemical inputs, synthetic mats. They are expensive, extractive, and far from sustainable or circular. But what if the solution has been right under our feet all along? This is EcoMycoSprouts. We work with mycelium, the root network of fungi. Our mycelium-based mat restores soil structure, helping green spaces thrive from urban areas to degraded fields. Place it on damaged ground and within weeks, life returns. That soil becomes a growing ecosystem, naturally and without chemicals. We take local waste like straw and wood chips. Mycelium grows through it, forming a strong, lightweight product. Then it is enriched with necessary nutrients and beneficial microbes. At the end, seeds are added to enable plant growth. EcoMycoSprout transforms waste into value. It retains water, brings back microbial life, and is biodegradable, scalable, and low-tech. It boosts biodiversity and helps cool down our city. From degraded or sealed areas, we can reclaim that ground and turn it into thriving ecosystems. Vienna is one of the world's greenest cities, yet 37% of the area is sealed, causing heat island and ecological stress. To tackle this, the city invests millions on desealing. An EcoMycoSprout is the perfect match, turning grey back into green, from Vienna to Europe and beyond.
EcoMycoSprout.
From degradation to regeneration.